Today we're making the classic lime margarita with just a little extra kick. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. Today we're making these classic lime margaritas, but we're gonna be adding a little spin to it. We're gonna be putting some Tajín around the rim just to add a little bit of spice. And then we're also gonna add a zest of frozen jalapeno, which is like the ever so trendy thing right now. I try and pay attention to social media trends for you guys, and this is definitely one. It's almost Cinco de Mayo, so let's make these perfect cocktails. The first thing we wanna do is stick this jalapeno in the whole entire thing. You can do a smaller one, this is like a giant one, but we're gonna stick this right in the freezer. We want it to be nice and hard so it just zests really perfectly over our finished product. The first thing we're gonna do is our Tajín rim around the outside of our cups. We can't do it later because we'll have to dump our drink out. If you haven't had Tajín before, it is really tasty. It's like a combination of chili powder with salt. It's got a little bit of a spice to it. It's also like kind of limey, and it just goes really good with the classic margarita. I got these little ones from World Market, which I thought were so cute. We're gonna take it and just pour it right onto our plate. This is less than a half ounce, and I really don't need more than that, so I'm not gonna use my second one. I'll save that for another day. Next, we're gonna squeeze just a couple tablespoons of lime juice on the second plate. We're gonna take our glass, and you wanna just go ahead and stick it right into the lime juice. Then we're gonna dunk it right into the Tajín, and just work your cup around it until it gets a really nice rim. Make sure you have enough lime juice on there though, because if you don't, it's not gonna stick on correctly. And then you get this perfectly lined Tajín rim. So yummy, and it's so festive looking. Next, we're gonna juice some limes, and if you know that you're having a party with like a lot of people that are gonna be drinking, I recommend just going ahead and juicing like 10 before the party. We're just gonna be juicing a couple for this recipe, but this is only gonna make 2 margaritas. And what we want is 2 ounces of fresh lime juice per margarita. So you can figure about 1.5 limes per margarita. The reason why I don't like to say that, I like to say tablespoons or ounces, is because like, look at this lime compared to this lime. You're obviously gonna get more juice from this one. So I would just plan on doing 2 ounces per margarita. Sometimes I'll kind of cut these in half a little bit and then juice them again. Sometimes the juicer doesn't feel like it gets everything out in the first time. So I'll just run it back through again. Get everything out. We don't want to leave any to waste. While we're making a giant mess in the kitchen with our limes, go ahead and slice yourself a couple of limes for garnish. That way you don't have to make the mess later, and there's no time like the present. Okay, so we're starting off with about a cup of crushed ice in our mixer. I am going to open my Casamigos. It's been in my pantry forever. I don't drink a whole lot, so I try and splurge on the good stuff. And I definitely recommend a clear tequila for this recipe, but if you don't like clear tequila, you don't have to use that. It says notes of vanilla. I have a cold right now, so it's like, I mean, I can smell it, but it's definitely not as strong as it should be, but this is so good. It's my favorite. Our neighbors will make me like ranch water sometimes with Casamigos and lime juice and just like seltzer water, and it's so good. It's like the perfect summer drink. Okay, so we're gonna get started with our 4 ounces of fresh lime juice. You can just use a shot glass for this. Okay, so we're gonna go in with 3 ounces of tequila. We've also got 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. You can also use triple sec. And then I'm gonna use 2 ounces of simple syrup. Then you wanna go ahead, put your lid on, and give us a good shake. Okay, so the next part is the treacherous part. I'm just kidding, it's really not. Okay, so we are gonna add our ice to our glasses, but we gotta be careful because we don't wanna knock off the Tajín. So you just wanna really nice and gently add that ice in. Oh, I did so good. And you wanna add the ice about 3/4 of the way up. These are strong, so we wanna have a lot of ice in there. Okay, next for the best part, we're gonna go ahead and pour our margaritas nice and gently over the ice. Oh my gosh, these look so good. It's okay if a little bit of Tajín gets in the margarita, nobody's gonna care. I like to add a little slice. Oh geez, I almost squirted my eye. Just add a little slice in there so that when you go ahead and stick it on your glass, it just stays really well. These are perfect for Cinco de Mayo, guys. I'm so excited for these. Oh my gosh, how good do they look? You guys, I literally almost forgot the jalapeno dust. That's what happens when I put things in the freezer, I just forget about it. But what you wanna do is you're gonna just take it over the grater like this, and then you have to hit it a little bit. The more frozen that the jalapeno is, the better. I do like the consistency of it because it's like really small and it just mixes right into the drink. So it's like, you're not gonna taste a chunk of jalapeno when you go to drink it. That's it, we're all done with these classic lime margaritas. I hope you guys love this recipe. It is so fresh, so tasty, and really delicious for Cinco de Mayo. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make these, and make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for new recipe videos every single week. I've got lots of new summer stuff coming up and I can't wait to share it with you. Cheers. These are so good. It's like 12 o'clock, so I'm not gonna drink the whole thing, but so tasty. Just a little bit of spice from the jalapenos and the Tajin Rim. So good, really like flavorful more than spicy, which I love. Those are so good. If you guys are looking for more cocktail recipes, make sure to check out simplymadeeats.com. That's my blog, and I have lots of mojito and margarita recipes on there. I've got a frozen strawberry margarita that's really tasty if you like sugary. So make sure to check that out too.